Jecca Blac Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for Face and NUDESTIX Tinted Cover Foundation. I think it's a little bit too light, but we're gonna try it.
It bothers some people that you are comfortable with yourself. They start feeling that you think you're perfect or better than the next person, but their insecurities are not your problem.
I don't like it. I don't know if it's the glow drops or it's the foundation. I don't like it, and I'm gonna show you why.
I hope you can see it in camera how textured all of my skin looks. It looks weird. Like I have, like you can see all my little, I don't know, imperfections. You can see, I don't know, just this weird like texture. Let's see if I can focus and really show you guys. It just looks weird.
I'm gonna have to try these out separately and see which one it is. Is it the glow drops or is it the NUDESTIX? I don't know, but I know you saw that up close and it just doesn't look good. Okay, so I'm gonna try the Jecca Blac glow drops right here on my face again and put it with the foundation that I know actually works. But I want you guys to see how much glow comes from this primer. Look at that. I know you can see it. It's like bling bling. Okay, this is my go-to foundation. It's the I'm TLC foundation, 16-hour wear. Okay, so in this case, it's the foundation because I put the primer on, as you saw, and a different foundation. I did the I'm TLC, and look, I have no texture, and it's beautifully laid down. So this is nice. If you are fair complected, this is a fair highlighter. So a lot of times you can get a highlighter, it's a darker tint. Darker tint highlighters are made for darker skin. This is a lighter tint highlighter, and you can kind of see it just gives your skin that glow underneath the foundation. So I do like this. Jecca Blac glow drops, come on. This is amazing. This is also like, so just look how beautiful. So easy to apply. Look at this, how it's just smooth. And you can see the shine is real. I wonder if I can actually put this on top of my makeup. Let's try it really quick. You guys see it right there? I just run it in. Oh, look at that. You can put it on top of your foundation. Really nice, really nice. NUDESTIX, it just didn't work on my skin. You guys saw how my skin was textured, and it was due to this foundation. Did not like it. Plus, I got the wrong shade. I typically wear a nude, and this says Nude 1, which you would think that it would match, but it's super, super white, as you saw. But it's also textured.